So right now I'm going to show you how to post just a typed post on Padlet. If you were posting in any of these forums and any of these columns, you can always just type what you did. You don't have to upload a picture or video, but it'd be nice to see you guys in action. So you're always, if you want to add a post to any of these columns, you're always going to press the plus sign. So I'm going to press the plus, and I'm going to make the title, since it's a circuit and strength column, I'm going to make the title what kind of workout it was. So it was a HIIT workout. So I'm going to write HIIT workout. And then when it says write something right here, I'm going to click in there, and that's where I'm going to type what the workout was that I did. So it doesn't have to be too detailed, but you need to make sure you say if there was a time limit or a work to rest that you set on an interval timer and what the exercises were. So I'm going to write it was 30 seconds of work, 15 seconds of rest, and I'm going to write go through this 5 times. So that would mean you set your timer 30 seconds of work, 15 seconds of rest, and you repeat all these exercises 5 times. So I would say I did jumping jacks, I did air squats, I did push-ups, and sit-ups. If you wanted to, again, upload a picture, a video on the computer, you can even upload a recording of your voice, a drawing, you name it, you can upload that. But for now, is just showing the typing portion. So therefore, I know the timing, how many rounds, and what the exercises were. So one thing you can also do is, whoops, move that back down. Sometimes that might happen if your link goes above. You can kind of just drag it down. Oops. And there it is again. So if that happens, you can just click on it and drag it to the bottom. And finally, if I wanted to edit this and kind of show, do the color coordination like I talked about, you can press these 3 little dots, and I want to make this yellow because it's under the circuit and strength portion. So that's how you add just a regular typed post onto Padlet.